People ask me how I film my bikepacking trips, and it's really simple, and I don't know if I do the best job at it, but I can definitely show you what I do and LOL. And you can take what I've done and improve on it, or do with what I do. I don't have a ton of money, so I don't, put a ton of like bells and whistles and stuff on it, but I'll show you what I have. I have this little pack on the front here, and sometimes if you watch another video, I have a larger pack, and then this pack will be on front of it, but this is always my pack where I keep all my electronics. I bring my drone, which is the Mini 2, the Fly More package, and the controller. When you're doing action stuff, you always want to film with your action cameras. So all your movements and rides and everything else, you use your action camera. But when you are at camp, you want to usually, what I do is I'll bring more of a higher end camera. This is the Sony A6400 with a Sigma 16mm camera. This is really great for nighttime because usually I'm at camp at night. Those take great pictures and videos around camp and stuff like that. That's really optional. That's just, I know people that just do just the GoPro. If you want to step up and see really beautiful cinematic videos, then your higher end cameras can give you that. And then the rest of the stuff in here is just batteries. This is really nice. It's a little SIM card holder. I got a little battery pack for my GoPros, chargers, and then basically that's all that's inside here. Then I'll strap one onto my head. Some people do it on their chest, but I have a beard, so as I'm riding, it probably would get in the way. But a really smart thing to do, so you can do B-roll or keep the camera moving and keep your viewers engaged, is when you turn on your camera facing you, and I have a clamp, it clamps onto the handlebars, and that's what you're on right now. Turn this one on as well, so as you're talking, you can talk into the camera, but if you're talking about something like a subject or anything while you're driving, you can move the camera over. I don't know, this is talking about editing, but you can B-roll that camera and show this and just disconnect your voice in post and keep the voice running while this is still running, and just keep this one quiet. You don't need any audio. All your audio will come out of your main camera, just for easy to do in post. The camera that you're on, these are all GoPro 9s, and I got the camera mod for that, the one that I'm talking to you right now, which is it's got a little speaker, a light. It's got a lot of little plugs and stuff on the back side. For the audio, I'm using a Rode mic that you're connected to. Audio is huge when you're doing filming, for people to hear you clearly. And this is all just learning from failure. I also have a DJI Bluetooth mic as well. It's a little bit more higher end. This is like $130, and the DJI, I think, is $360. It comes with 2 mics and a charging case, but what's cool about the DJI is that you don't have to have anything connected to your camera. It actually will record your voice in the mic itself. It's just you'll have to attach that audio to your voice in post, which could be a challenge. I don't do that. I usually just connect everything up with the DJI. But I gotta tell you, DJI, everything, their customer service is awesome. In my experience, just everything I've dealt with, I'm honestly thinking about changing all my GoPros over to the Osmos, which I probably will do soon. I just think it's just better. Yeah, really simple. Camera on the head, camera pointing to you. None of this is sponsored, but the DJI action camera is a magnet on the camera, so you can actually attach it to your handlebars and then pop it off and pop it onto your head, and you don't have to play with all the little screws and everything to detach a GoPro together. GoPro's a great camera. Just the Osmos, I believe is what it's called. Their just quick detach is really freaking awesome. You can also quick detach and record, turn it sideways and record for 9x16, which is like TikTok and your Instagram reels and stuff like that. So that's really cool. That's all I carry, this stuff right here. I'll show you real quick. This is it. You want to bring batteries for sure. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Inside this little box is just where I keep my keys and my earbuds. If you have an Apple Watch, these are really nice. This is a carbon fiber charger by Nikon. It's the energy brick. It's the smaller one. These are great for the power that you get versus how light it is. You can plug this in and charge your watch, or you can take this and charge your phone and little stuff if you're out a little farther. Overnighter, this is probably not necessary if you've got probably 3 or 4 batteries with you. And it really depends on how cold it is. My batteries have been going quick because it's gotten down cold. Just wanted to show you that. And if you want to see the trip that I'm in right now, I'm actually bike packing on the beach, 40 miles up here in Virginia. It's really cool. If you want to see that, it'll be right here. What do you bring on your bike packing trips that I'm missing? Because I'm always wanting to learn. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.